Hello and welcome back. Welcome to Ekataa Jeev. Ekataa Jeev is all about DIY ideas, miniatures, art and craft. In this video, let's see how to create a pom pom, a unique pom pom. Let's begin with the supplies first. Wool of different colors. A fork. Here I have chosen a plastic fork. Scissors. And adhesive. Now take a fork and start rounding up the wool in this way. We will need two colors and divide these colors in 1:3 ratio. So once this is done, we will make a pom pom out of it. Finally cut the wool in the shape of ball to make a pom pom. Now take two small pieces of black wool and one of red. Get an adhesive and make eyes and mouth. Our pom pom is almost ready. Now take 8 rounds of the majority color and divide it in two. Join this with glue now. Attach a string to all these pom poms. This will give a unique look to your bag or mobile. If you enjoyed making of this unique pom pom, then do give like, comment, share and subscribe to Ekataa Jeev. Because Ekataa Jeev is all about DIY ideas, miniatures, art and craft. See you soon with a brand new video. Till then, tata, bye bye, sayonara.